Alright, so here, gorgeous day at Johnathan Dickinson State Park here in Jupiter, Florida. Temperature's really nice out. It's not too hot. It's definitely not cold. Even though tonight it's gonna drop into the low 60s, so I'll just probably get into the sleeping bag and I think I should be alright. But pretty nice out today. Alright, so now after a grueling 9-mile march, I'm picking this campsite over here to set up for the night. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna set up my tent. I'm gonna have to actually go and get some water from the stream down there and treat it with my Sawyer Mini so I can have some water to boil so I can make something to eat for tonight. And that's it. We're gonna set it up. So, all right. So actually, we got very lucky. Got here to the stream, and there is a pump well. So this is gonna make things a lot easier. Even though it says water is not treated, so it's still gonna be same old nasty water, but whatever. At least it's not from. Probably won't get any sediment on it. Maybe let's cross a little bridge. Let's see how this is. All right. Is it flowing? So there it goes. It flows. Yeah. Not the best tasting water, but and there you have it, folks, the Vango 200 tent. So as you can see, it is a pretty big tent, and it actually has openings on both sides. There's zippers on both sides also. And as you can see, pretty roomy in there. It says it's a 2-man tent, but I don't know about that. I think it looks more to me like a 1-person tent, and you can fit some of your gear in there pretty much. So let me close it up for now because I don't want any critters getting here. This is Florida. So alright, so after a long day here setting up everything, it's time to make some food. So I got my little butane tank and little portable stove here, and I've decided I'm just gonna make some Maruchan top ramen, chicken flavor. Alright. Alright. Alright, so now that we got our water to a boil, we're gonna go ahead and pour our noodles in. Woo! Go ahead and add our chicken flavor. Voila, yummy, delicious MSG. Stop it. Alright, so now everything is done, and we pour it into here. Look at that, yummy, delicious. All right, delicious. It's very hot. Yum, yum. Stop it. All right, guys, good morning. So, it's kind of a chilly morning, actually, today. In the 50s, actually was able to stay nice and warm inside the tent. And there's a lot of condensation out here. Didn't get inside my tent at all. So this tent worked out pretty good. And so we're gonna go ahead and make some coffee out here. Warm up a little bit. My little red camp stove works pretty damn good, actually. Not expensive as the MSR Pocket Rocket, but it gets the job done. You hear all those wild animals out there. Give that a little bit of time so it can. Yeah, it's kind of chilly out. You can see the condensation when I breathe it. All right, so that was a fun night. So had a good time on this trip. Now it's time to head back. So it's gonna be about 9 miles with this heavy ass rucksack, but it is what it is, yo. Peace. All right, so I'm gonna stop here, take a little break. We're about like 5 miles in. I have one of these little sausages are good. Duke's original recipe. These sausages are the bomb diggity right here. This is what you want out here. Make sure you have plenty of water with it because it got a shitload of sodium in it. So they're very good though. All right, so I finally made the march back. So I made it back to the parking lot. Glad to be back already. This place is actually kind of cool over here. They have a little horse ranch for trail rides. Great place to bring the kids. Let me see. I'll show you guys now. There, as you guys can see, I have all little horses there, and they have guided trail rides. So it's pretty cool.